Hi everyone, it's Friday and it's the end of the week, a lovely relaxing weekend ahead. And yeah, the end of the week is always a nice end of the week because it's takeaways, it's dinner, it's binge eating, that sort of thing. But we do have the Halloween packet here, and obviously I didn't, again, it's one of them ones that cropped up as I was adding something to the basket. It said here's one you might like, and I thought, oh, you know, Halloween's not too far off, we'll buy it. And it was $3.99. Now I believe the character is called Pennywise. I could have that wrong, but if I have got it wrong, I'm sure someone can correct me, but I'm pretty damn sure that this clown is called Pennywise. So because it's from the, I can't remember what film it is. I've never seen the Pennywise film, but it's, I believe it's something to do with DC. Right, yeah, it's one of them packages where they've separated, but oh, this looks lovely. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Okay, I can see this is going to be a good one. But we'll get into the, I love the way they separate the jewels between the packages there. So we'll get into here if we can. If it'll let us, I can't grip it. And yeah, we'll take a look at the jewels. It always makes me nervous because I'm always like, well, where's the tray? But they hide it into this one, so we'll take a look at the jewels later, and we'll take a look at this. Now, if you don't like clowns, now's the time to look away, because I love clowns. I think they're really good, and I'm trying to hunt one down of Chucky. Your standard boat again, so no bags in that one or tweezers. But I saw this for $3.95. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh wow. Oh, that's gorgeous. It's got a little bit, it needs some book slates on it because it's a little bit bent from the warehouse, but that's lovely. So I believe, I could have this wrong, but that symbol, this character really reminds me of the film Pennywise. And Pennywise, as we know, is a clown in a movie. Let me just see if I can find it. Oh, I'm curious to see if this is actually Pennywise. So let me just have a look. Pennywise. Ah, maybe. Oh, yes, look. Haha. So, yeah. That looks like that one, look. Ah, fantastic. So as you can see, if you on this clown here, I put Pennywise, and that's what's come up. So that must be Pennywise. But it's from the character It, the film It or something. So why did they call it Pennywise? I don't get it. But yeah, if it's called It or Pennywise, I don't know. But anyway, I thought this was great for this year's Halloween. As I said, I may change it because I do have another Halloween lined up, painting lined up in store. Last year we done a pumpkin, and we will finish that off, the last little segment this year. But this has got really lovely jewels in it. It's black, it's a lot of colour blocking. We've got a balloon there. We've got this fiery red background on it. The hair's going to really illuminate there. And then the costume down here looks really, really lovely indeed. It looks like the clown is holding the string of the balloon there. It's got 22 colours in this, so I thought that is absolutely beautiful. I really, really like it. You never get the wow factor. With me, I always get nervous because I'm like, is it going to come out right? Is it going to be good? It's very rare that I don't get a paint. It's very rare that I get a paint in that is, it looks awful. The last one I believe didn't come out right was a custom that I got from my brother. Me and customs don't get on very well because everyone I get seems to be looks smudged or doesn't come out right. But yeah, this is, oh, can't wait to get this. I'm really, really happy with this. $3.99 again, as I said, and if you want to get that, you can get it from Amazon. That's a 30 to 40 there. So let's take a look at the drills. I just love Amazon because I just love the fact that you can get it next day. It's just, oh, brilliant. And a lot of the paintings I'm seeing are $3.99. It's just amazing. So as you can see, we've got various browns here, some oranges. What colour that is? Probably grey, is it? A dark grey maybe? Mauve maybe? Oh gosh, what's happened there, look? Oh. What colour's that? 16. I've just noticed something here. 16 is K. I have noticed, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's got like a pale white backing on it. I hope them jewels are okay. Don't know why they're like that. That's interesting. We might have, I mean, the others look okay, so we'll take a look once we kit this up, and It could be that these have been stored in the warehouse too long and freezing temperatures has got to it. I don't know, but I've never seen a packet like that before, so it could just be dust. I'm a little bit concerned, but we'll still do it. Look, it's in that pack as well. What the hell's going on with this? Really? I've got a feeling that once we put it upside the other way, when it sticks on, it'll be fine. I think it's just the underneath, but that's a weird looking drill. All the other ones seem to be okay. So oranges, and look, there's some in there as well. I'm still going to do it for $3.99. I think it's great. Some of these drills do look like they've been... I'm not sure, but we'll see how we go. I mean, we can always get spare Ks. They always come up in the kit. So, yeah, really like that. Pink one's nice. So, they're the drills. But, yeah, I really like the look of this. And I thought, got to have that. Absolutely gorgeous. So, yeah, if you want to get this for yourself, I paid $3.99 for this. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's going to be one of my Halloween pictures. And there's the jewels itself. If you're new to diamond painting, you always get yourself a little kit. Obviously, when you've been diamond painting for a while, you will find that most of us buy our own sort of pens and upgrade the pens like this. But for me, I don't keep these boats. I much prefer using my white trays. So, problem is with diamond painting is you're going to get one of these every single time you purchase one, and then you'll find they stack and stack and stack and stack. But I just chuck all of that away. The only thing I don't keep is the little jelly wax. So because I've got loads of these things now. But yeah. Anyway, please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the bell if you want to be notified for all the videos I do. That's been Pennywise from the film It, apparently. Take care, and we'll see you again soon for another unboxing coming up next Wednesday. Take care. Bye-bye.